Navneet, if the India story is so strong and growth is looking so strong, that why has the GDP slipped? Why for last 2 quarters earnings have been poor? And if I look at basic categories, soap, shampoos, वो भी नहीं बिक रहे. This is all data.
So Shankar talked about that he entered market like late 80s, early 90s, and what a fabulous journey India had. And as a small kid, I started watching market in early 80s, very small kid. And Sensex was 400, Nifty wasn't there. Sensex was 400, and we have seen the journey from 400 to 4,000, 4,000 to 40,000, and 40 to 80. And during this period, there would have been many quarters where we discussed something like this: why soaps are not selling, or why the IIP is lower, or the rates have gone up, or inflation. Many things in the world, many things in India. But in the same period, we have seen the journey of 400 to 80,000. We have SDFC FlexiCap Fund, which is celebrating 30 years of existence next month. In this 30 months, if somebody did an SIP of 10,000 rupees per month, is almost worth 20 crore rupees today. Now, I'm from mutual fund industry. As a responsible fund manager, I have to say mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document carefully, because I'm giving you the past data and they may not guide where the future would be. But what it shows is the compounding story India has. And there are very few, and Shankar can add more because he invests globally. Other than United States, there are not many countries on the planet Earth which have done something like this, where an economy is growing consistently at a very decent pace, nominal GDP growth of 10-11% over 30 years. You have a corporate sector which can convert that growth into their revenues and profits. And you have a capital market where those profits get converted to the return to the minority shareholder. And then your mutual fund industry which delivers those returns to an investor who invests only 500 rupees per month. This hasn't happened in many places. There's no reason to believe that next 30 years won't be as exciting. There would surely be several quarters like this. It's not a linear. That's the nature of the beast, as Shankar rightly mentioned. You will have those bubbles, you will have those busts, but that's the nature of the beast. But between that, the real trick is just staying invested and reaping the benefit of the growth prospects that India has.